Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make money online using this app called StartUp. Now, this app is actually tax-based. Yes, a tax-based reward app where you earn points by completing simple activities, and then those points are converted into cash or gifts reward depending on your region. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how it works, how to use it to make money and redeem your reward. So you can get it on Play Store. You can use the link in the description box too. Download the app, register using Google email or whichever option is available for you. So make sure to also use the referral code for a bonus, and I'll be dropping it in the description box and maybe also in the comment section. So apply the referral code, and this is what the interface or the homepage look like. So there are many ways to make money online. You have surveys, you also have games. So you can complete surveys, and these surveys are actually short questionnaires which you can earn points from. Now, just have in mind that surveys can disqualify you if your answer don't match the demographic needed. So make sure to be honest and avoid the use of VPNs. You can also make money by installing apps or playing games. So make sure to check out everything. And when you click on refer down here, you can also get extra points when you invite friends. When someone signs up using your code, both of you receive reward. And this is also one of the fastest ways to grow your balance, and it is optional. So you click on redeem once you have up to the minimum payouts, and depending on your region, where I am, I have PayPal and I have Binance USDT available for me. So the minimum withdrawal here is 27,000 coins or 27,000 points, which is $3. You can also use Binance USDT or PayPal, whichever one works for you. So you click on redeem if you have up to the minimum points, and then you wait for processing time, which may take up to a few hours to a few days. It's all depending on the reward type and maybe on your location. So this app is not a full-time income source. It will not make you rich, but if you're looking for a side hustle, then you can give this a try or a test. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and drop a comment. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on my next video.